Stay cool on the go with the Cybertake S1 Pro Portable Air Conditioner. Perfect for cars, compact, lightweight, and easy to set up. Power supply options. Use your car's DC adapter. Quickly connect the XT90 terminal and power up instantly. Adjustable cooling from 16 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius. Customize your comfort. Choose from Max, Eco Plus Sleep, or Auto mode for cooling efficiency. Multiple speed settings. Quiet operation. Drain-free design. Easy to use in your any vehicle. For power supply, use a portable battery pack. Dehumidify your car. Remember settings. Ventilation mode. Easy to clean. Remote control. Perfect portable air conditioner for your car journeys.